Hi everyone, this is Santhosh Kumar. Welcome to MAXLOGICALS. Before going to today's video, we will discuss the what happened in previous lecture. In previous lecture, we discussed the what is the ordinary differential equation. If you given the one differential equation, how we solve this differential equation, and what is the order of the differential equation, and what is the degree of this differential equation. These all things are discussed in the previous lecture. We have the four methods to solve the ordinary differential equation. That is, the first one is linear differential equation, and the second one is variable and separable, and the third one is Bernoulli's differential equation, and the fifth one is homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation. These four methods to use to solve the differential equation. In previous lecture we have discussed the linear differential equation and variable separable. These two methods in previous lecture we have discussed. In this lecture we will discuss the how to find the solution of the differential equation by using the variable separable method and linear differential equation. We have the three differential equations. Like the first one is 1 plus x dy by dx minus y equal to e power 3x x plus 1 whole square, and the second one is 1 plus x square dx minus xy dx equal to 0, and the third one is dy by dx equal to sin 2x y power 1 by 3. And we have the one condition. What is that condition? Y of 0 equal to 0. This is the condition we apply on the third differential equation. I have three differential equations. These three differential equations are different type of differential equations. To the first differential equation, that is 1 plus x dy by dx minus y equal to e power 3x x plus 1 whole square. This differential equation looks like as a linear differential equation. Now solve this differential equation. The dy by dx minus y by 1 plus x equal to e power 3x, where x plus 1 by 1 plus x. What now? Dy by dx minus y by 1 plus x equal to e power 3x x plus 1. This is my differential equation. My differential equation looks like as a linear differential equation. These differential equation comparing with the general form of the linear differential equation. What is the general form of the linear differential equation? We know the general form of the linear differential equation, that is where dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x into y. This is q of x. What is the value of p of x? Where p of x equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x, and q of x equal to e power 3x x plus 1. This is my q of x and this is my p of x. Now we finding the integrating factor. What is the formula of integrating factor? Where if equal to e power integral p of x into dx. This is my integrating formula. Now finding the integrating factor of this differential equation. That is e power integral minus, what is the p of x value? Minus 1 by 1 plus x dx. The integration of 1 by 1 plus x is log x, that is 1 plus x e power log of 1 plus x whole inverse, that is 1 by 1 plus x. This is my integrating factor. Now find the general solution of this differential equation. What is the general solution of the differential equation? We know the general solution of the differential equation, that is y of x into integrating factor equal to integral of q of x into integrating factor. Here we have integrating factor and we have q of x value. Now substitute these all values in the general form of the differential equation. Where y of x, what is the integrating factor? 1 by 1 plus x. 1 by 1 plus x, that equal to integral. What is q of x value? Where q of x equal to e power 3x into 1 by 1 plus x into integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? 1 by 1 plus x. Q of x is e power x 1 plus x. These two are cancelled, and y of x 1 by 1 plus x equal to integral e power 3x dx. That is e power 3x by 3. Y of x equal to 1 plus x by 3 e power 3x. This is my general solution of the given differential equation. I hope this problem is clear for all of you. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. We will discuss this problem again in next lecture. And the second one is 1 plus x square into dx minus xy dy equal to 0. This is my given differential equation. We have to do the separate the variables on given differential equation. That is where xy dy. In left hand side I have dx and right hand side I have dy. But I have in right hand side two variables, that is x and y, but we have dy. So here we separate the variable, that is x is taking to left hand side, that is 1 plus x square by x dx, that is y dy. Now we do integrating on both sides, that is 1 plus x square by x dx equal to integral y dy. Now solve this integration. Integral 1 by x plus x square by x, x square by x dx equal to integral y dy. That is integration of 1 by x is log x plus, here x and x is cancelled, where x, what is the integration of x square by 2, that is the integration of y square by 2 plus c, where log x plus x square by 2 minus y square by 2 equal to c. This is the final solution of the given differential equation. I hope this problem is clear for all of you. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And the next question is where dy by dx equal to sin 2x 1 y power 1 by 3 and given y of 0 equal to 0. Now separate the variables where dy equal to sin 2x y power 1 by 3 dx and dy by y power 1 by 3 equal to sin 2x dx. Integrating on both sides. Now what is the integration of the y power 1 by 3? That is we know the what is the integration of x power n, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is y power minus 1 by 3, that equal to x power minus y power minus 1 by 3 by 3 plus 1 by minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that equal to y power minus 1 plus 3 by 3 by minus 1 by 3 plus 3, 1 by minus 1 plus 3 by 3, that equal to y power 2 by 3 by 2 by 3 minus the integration of y 1 by y power 3 is 3 by 2 y power 2 by 3. Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. Here 2 is 2 cancel. In this problem we have to find what is the value of c. Now we use this condition, that is y of 0 equal to 0. Now in y of 0 equal to 0, this is x value and this is y value. Here y value is substituted in y and x value is substituted in x. That is 3 into 0 equal to minus cos of 2 into 0 plus c. 3 zeros 0 equal to, what is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 1. Cos 0 value is 1 minus 1 plus c. Where c equal to 1. Now substitute these value in above general solution. 2 by 3 equal to minus cos 2x plus 1. This is our final solution of the given differential equation. I hope these two methods are clear for all of you. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment box. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. These methods are very useful to solving the differential equations in JEE mains or EAPCET examinations. So please try to learn these methods, and coming lectures we will discuss the another two methods. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you to all.